everything you ever wanted and I'll fill the void. Your life. Never dreamed that I would find the one so soon. It's true. With everything I'm loving you.
It's a sad day. We're all packed up. We're leaving Alentejo. We leave back to our homeland in a couple of days. We're going to spend a couple of days in Lisbon. It's kind of sad. We just said goodbye to his parents. And I took a gravel. And so did Sienna. And there's his dad.
I'm eating cookies.
Hey.
Tchau, pai. Tchau. Não faz mal. Mais uma. Ah. It's hard to believe that this is the key for the door. Cute, friends. We got a hallway, a little corridor, and our own little suite happening. I guess we can see the palace. It's right there. Nice. Very nice. We are heading to dinner from our hotel. We're staying at the National Palace in Queluz. Just thought I'd drop that. We're gonna go into Cascais for dinner to go for a little walk, check out the cafes, the little restaurants and stuff, but this is insanity. I don't even know. This is where I'm staying. It's a National Palace. The royal family used to live here. What's happening?
Clock is ticking, can't slow down. Feet are moving on the ground. Heartbeat sings with every beat.
We're in Cascais at the moment. It is rammed with people in the middle of August. We were kind of trailing around for the last half hour looking for parking. There are street parking spots, but you can tell by the volume of people, it is so busy here, but it's quite a vibe. Saturday night, outside of Lisbon, in a cute beach town. Here he comes. Cascais is packed on a Saturday night. Kind of a Xixi area, part of Lisbon, where people can go to the beach during the day and enjoy the nightlife. And this is essentially what it is. We're lucky to have found a spot. We're looking forward to eating and making sure that our car is still there because we parked it in some random spot. Not sure if it's going to be there when we get back, but we're hoping for the best.
Caipirinha.
Ah,
Hey.
it's a Brazilian Portuguese drink, but heck, we're on the beach, right?
Yep.
Oh, cheers. Yeah. Let's go cheers to that. Cheers. Note, if you go for dinner in the closed promenade spot down closer to the beach, it is a little bit more touristy and a little bit more accessible in terms of price of food. Where we ate was kind of up on the hill behind the streets. I'm gonna find out exactly where that is, and I can tell you that it's a bit more of a high-end experience, a little bit more of a luxury experience. Down here, it's definitely a lot of tourist traps, people trying to usher you into their restaurants. Definitely check everything out. There's shops and stuff too down here. I'd love to check this out during the day, but during the nighttime on a Saturday evening in the month of August, dang, it's busy.
Got the bakery here.
Flamingo, restaurant and bar. Cozinha portuguesa. We're so lucky that we get to experience the Festas do Mar 2024. We just saw a concert, a Portuguese concert, and there's lots of street vendors and street food. So fun. Cool time of year to come. Well, isn't this a little kid's delight? Right in the center of Cascais, where they have free Wi-Fi, I just noticed. Who has that? There's a whole little amusement park for kids, a little walking promenade, lots of booths. And now we're gonna find our car because we are hoping it's still there. Not sure. We parked it. Wasn't exactly a legal spot. We had a nice little moment here in Cascais at nighttime. I think we need to come during the day. What do you think, babe? Yep, definitely said. It's breezy. It's cool at night. August. It's about
When?
with a breeze.
The breeze.
You need a sweater. We saw a concert on the beach. We caught the last day of the Festas do Cascais. Last day is August 25th, and we're here. We're lucky enough to be here. Oh, and they have a Starbucks! They have a Starbucks! What? I don't need to come to Portugal to go to Starbucks, I'll be honest with you. I'd rather go to Vicomte d'Aluge. I've not been there, so don't recommend. Anyway, good night, friends. We're going to tour the Queluz National Palace, where we also happen to be staying. I was able to save a few euro each online, so just a little tip. A few euros here, a few euros there, all add up. Anyway. I don't know, if I was the Donna Maria, I would have asked for a bigger bed. Anyway. We've just had a really beautiful tour of the interior of the National Palace at Queluz. It was once home to the King and Queen of Portugal and Dom Pedro. Actually, the interesting story about Dom Pedro is that he was born in the same room, the Don Quixote room, and he also died at the age of 35 in the same room, so quite a lot of history here. But it's actually newer history compared to some of the information that you get about the families and the royal families that have lived in the Pina Palace, for example, in Sintra, which is only about 15 minutes away from here. But this is a highly underrated palace because there are so many other places and not much in this local area to appreciate and enjoy. I think this one kind of gets overlooked. It's been an interesting experience. It's quite beautiful, but I think we're starting to feel the summer come to a bit of a close.